So, in the last video, I done some very funny videos last time. If you guys never seen that, I'll link this link in the description below. So, today we are going to be recreating Billie Eilish. You heard of Billie Eilish videos, and it's going to be so fun. So, you have to stay to the end. So, we're going to be doing the When the Party's Over with the black tears, and Bury Your Friend with the blink eyes, with the white eyes. Yeah, it's very creepy, and yeah, we're gonna get to it. And up next, so the first video we're gonna do is When the Party's Over. If you guys did not see that video, well, in the video she basically drinks this black liquid that, I don't know, what is it? It looks like Dr. Pepper to me, you know, that soda, Dr. Pepper. And then later in the video, black tears would come out of her eyes. If you haven't seen the video before, this is what I'm talking about. That video that I'll be doing with the black tears coming out of my eyes when I do it. So she has like black eyes coming out, not black eyes, with black tears coming out. So I'm gonna try to do it, and then let me see it. Maybe just put it that, just like that. If you guys want to see me sing Billie Eilish, you need to check out my window at Tukitier Kid. You can see me sing till it. You guys have never seen it. And then we're gonna put this here and there. Like this. I don't think it's gonna work. And there. And say So now, when we're done with that, we're now gonna do the Bury Your Friend with the blink eyes. It's gonna be very creepy. If you guys haven't seen the Bury Your Friend video, this is what I'm talking about right here. And then we're gonna recreate it. So she has blink little eyes. So you guys are wondering, how am I gonna get the blink eyes? Well, easy. I'm gonna use my slime. That is the cookies and cream donut, the one that I done with. I'll link that link in the description below. And then you take a little bit of it, put it in your eyes. Make sure your eyes are closed because you don't want it to be in your eyes, or else you'll get blind. So yeah, that's how you do it. And then you just recreate the video. And then you just put in little circles. Let me get a little bit more. Oh, some still here. So this is good. Put it under this eye. Don't worry, my eyes closed. And there. And there. That's how we do it. Okay, so now I put on my eyes. So make sure you close it. And there, maybe recreated. Next, gotta sell my soul, cause I can't say no. No, I can't say no. Then my limbs are frozen, my eyes won't close, and I can't say no. I can't say no. And that's how we do it. So the first look, how I done the When the Party's Over, I used the Cosmic Shimmer one, the gold one. And if you guys wanted to see two of the videos, I'll put the Party's Over and Bury Your Friend. Thanks for right there. And then I use the Cosmic Shimmer, and then I use the cookies and cream. If you guys want this and want to recreate it yourself, I'll link this link in the description below. Thank you for watching, guys. Like this video to support Billie Eilish. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that like button, that thumbs up button right down here. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.